What's going on again? We got another one going on. Today we're gonna do how to install laminate floor. We already got going on the floor. Normally you do the longest wall in the room. We sort of flipped it because we're going from this room all the way down the hallway. So we figured the tile, the floor a little better. We can shoot on out the hallway and less transition strip. So this is what we do today.
Sorry.
No problem. Basically, don't worry about it. It's my brother Jonathan.
Hey.
Holding the film for me. So basically, the way you start off is you want to stagger your joints. You can bring it a little closer. Stagger your joints. Okay, so what I do is I got several pieces of 3 different sizes. It's full size and 3/4. Then sometimes you want to go a half, just a little more than half, but it makes it a little more convenient. As you see with any vinyl tile, people sometimes get mystified. They're like, oh, vinyl or laminate, vinyl or laminate. Vinyl is just as good as laminate. It all depends on the application, you know, what you want to pack. Okay, so look, you can see we got tongue and groove. This is the tongue. This is the groove. Very simple if you want to come around. Very simple installation. You know. So basically you just fit the tongue into the groove. And it's just that simple. The mystery is solved. So then, but because we want to stagger our seams, you just go ahead on, and it makes it go a little faster if you can do more than 1 row at a time. Just place the tongue into the groove. Take it a little bit, rock it a little bit, and it's in place. Okay? So, then go on to the next one. Pull your next one out. Place this tongue into this groove. But the edges take a little bit more force. So you can either press down, or you can use a rubber mallet, or you scrap piece of wood, a little tap. That way you can save your surface. And then you continue on installing your floor. Next video we get you, show you how to cut it. And we go over the basics of prepping your floor. Because as you can see, our floor wasn't the best, but we want to save the homeowner some money. So another tip I can leave you is get you some good wood putty. You can fix your spots. This was an add-on, so we put some primer down, close the pores. That goes a little more going in depth. That's a little more information that you might want to seek out other than just being a homeowner trying to do something. So the next video we go through cutting the tile, and probably transition strips. All right.